Good morning, dear aspirant. To start with today's news, two Tamil Nadu ministers quit on strong court remarks. So, two Tamil Nadu ministers quit strong court remarks like Ponmudi and Sendil Balaji. So, Supreme Court indicated that he must choose between being the minister and retaining his personal freedom. And cabinet have been reshuffled recently. So, judicial review is very important because of judicial intervention these two ministers have resigned, so to enforce the fundamental rights and accountability and to the power enshrined in the articles to implement that. So judicial review courts can strike down laws passed by the parliament of or state legislature if they violate the constitution, and judiciary power is not absolute. It can only review actions that are within its jurisdiction and based on established legal principles. So, Trump turmoil in bond market, President Donald Trump trade policies and interference with the Federal Reserve independence that actually triggered the financial market. So, tariffs are expected to have a short-term inflationary impact on the US economy, and investors started selling US bond also, causing the bond yield to rise and bond price to fall. So bond is an instrument to borrow money. It is like an IOU, that is a written acknowledgement of debt that one party owes with another. So there are types of government securities like T-bills or zero coupon securities and pay no interest. Cash Management Bill, Government of India in consultation with RBI introduced a new short-term instrument, dated G securities or securities that carry a fixed or floating coupon rate. State development loan or state government also raise loan from the market which are called state development loans. So RNA based antiviral offers strong defense against deadly agrivirus. RNA-based antiviral treatment developed to combat cucumber mosaic virus, which is a major plant virus affected over 1,200 species. So this will cause 25 to 30% yield losses. Researchers used a method called RNA silencing, introducing engineered double-stranded RNA. So cucumber mosaic virus belongs to the most widespread virus family, and it affects cucumber, melon, eggplant, tomato, etc. So ISRO's second short hot test of semi-cryogenic engine a success. ISRO successfully conducted a short duration hot test of the semi-cryogenic engine at the ISRO propulsion complex. This was the second major milestone after the first hot test on March 28, 2025. Advantages is, unlike a cryogenic engine, a semi-cryogenic engine uses refined kerosene instead of liquid hydrogen. The liquid oxygen is used as oxidizer. Kerosene combined with the liquid oxygen provide a higher thrust to the rocket. So enhanced payload capacity will be there, the most economical than a traditional one, and it reduce the dependency on foreign technology. Try to answer this question. Discuss the significance of semi-cryogenic engine development for India's space ambitions. Thank you. Have a great day.